Callagy Law for business owners and their businesses. Well, we really do two things, but at a core, we bring results. That's what we're all about, producing results for people, because that's what people want. And those results for business owners really divide up into two areas. There's the transactional part of what people do, and then there's the litigation part for people who have problems because the transactional part failed them in some way, typically. In the transactional part, there's really four types of areas that people have enormous challenges in, that they don't understand they have challenges. People have problems with their vendors, their clients, their partners, and their employees. And those are the areas that right up front people have to deal with. And here's the challenge. I'm an entrepreneur. People are excited. People are having fun. In the beginnings of relationships, people want to think about what's going to happen and go right? If you and I are getting together and we're going to start a business, the last thing we want to start talking about is what happens if we have a problem? What happens if we have a disagreement? Because we want to think that it's all going to work out, right? And we're not going to have those problems. And if we do, it's all going to be okay. But I've seen things in my practice that blow my mind. I could write a dozen books about the problems that people have gone through, and they're horrific and they're life-changing. In many ways, a business breakup could be close to as bad as people going through an actual divorce. And there's sometimes that it could be even worse when people are trying to destroy each other. And I've literally seen that, where people in a business breakup are trying to literally destroy each other. People who were best friends, they spent every Christmas together, and I've seen that continuously. And the challenge that I have with people is, people think about using lawyers when they're going to buy a business, they're going to do something large, but they don't think about the four types of contracts that they need to have with the people they're dealing with every day in their business. And those areas are typically the places that people have the largest problems. So what am I saying? What I'm saying is this: if people in business do not up front protect themselves from going into litigation, you're going to find yourself exposed to litigation as a potential in situations. And if you're exposed to litigation, that could destroy your business and have a massive impact on your life. And we're going to have video testimonials for folks to watch. And check out those video testimonials on people who didn't have those things protected up front in ways that maybe they could have, would have, or should have, right? Because they just didn't know. And people don't know. And when you look at and listen to the challenges these people have had because those things weren't there, you'll realize that this is so important for business owners. It is beyond all description. And in addition to having the protection holistically, right, to bring about results through transactions, and the litigation we're going to give people, and I'll actually talk about that for one moment. From a litigation perspective, going into litigation in business is unbelievably costly. It's unbelievably complicated, and it is unbelievably emotionally draining. So what we try to do for people is we try to avoid it at all costs, right? And if you don't have a lawyer whose first line is to avoid litigation at all costs, and they want to just protect you through fighting and escalating, we can escalate, and we're really good at escalating, and we're really good at fighting, and really good at battling. But that is not the first thing that you want from your lawyer. The first thing you want from your lawyer is to de-escalate and have a business solution, right, to this potential legal conflict. That's what you're looking for, and that's what we're trying to bring to our clients. However, if you can't, we're going to bring it, and we're going to bring it all day, and we're going to bring it every day, in representing our clients in a business litigation. And we're involved in many small to incredibly complex litigations. We litigate cases in multiple states, New York, New Jersey, but we're admitted pro hoc, and litigate cases in Texas, Arizona, Florida. We're involved in matters in West Virginia, and the list goes on in terms of states that we're litigating in. And so, when you have us, there with you, you're going to know where you stand. You're going to understand the roadmap very, very clearly, and we're going to bring about a very high-quality result for you, and that's what we do for people. Aside from all that, one of the great things that we're doing for our clients is we have, and actually non-clients, we're running a business mastery club where we're helping people learn how to grow and develop their business at a very high level and be in a room with other people that are interested in growing and developing their business as well. And it's content driven, it's not about networking, and it's a once a month program. So check out, we have a separate video on the website about that. Check that video out, and you'll learn a lot of great things about it. But if you have any legal question, any legal problem whatsoever, call us now. Do not hesitate. A lot of times business owners hesitate and they're not sure what they want to do and will sit back. Call us. It's free. We'll sit down and have a conversation. You'll get your questions answered. You'll feel better at the conclusion of the meeting you walked in. That's my guarantee. And the number is 201-261-1700. That's 201-261-1700. Or email me at scallagy, SCALLAGY, at Callagy Law, CALLAGY.com. Call or email me now. I hope to see you soon. Check out the Business Mastery Club or someone close on any problem or challenge that you have. My name is Sean Callagy, and I look forward to meeting you.